guys, it's me, Mark. I'm doing another bike check since I haven't done one in a while and a little bit of things have changed on my bike. So I'm going to start up here, like near the bars. So here I have Fiend team grips in black with Fiend bar ends. Right here I have King Solus 2 bars, 9.25 rise, and they're in chrome, obviously. They're 28.75 wide. I used to ride 27, but I don't really care anymore. So down here I have the Merit front load stem, signed by Scotty Kramer. And here's the Merit high top headset, and under that it connects to the Odyssey R25 forks. They're super nice forks. The front wheel is Eclat Pulse complete front wheel. The rim sucks, but everything else is good. Both of these hub guards are Merit tension guards. The left side peg is a Merit Brandon Began peg in 4.25, and the right side peg is a Volume Vessel peg in 4.5. The front tire on the wheel is an Animal GLH tire. It's really good. I like it. And here we have the Merit S1 pivotal seat with the Fiend seat posts. And moving down here, I have the Merit Pent Guard sprocket in purple, Began signature, with a Stranger level crank. Just got these like not too long ago in 165. And then here's the Merit pedals, S1 pedals, I don't know.
P1.
Oh, P1, yeah. And the Shadow Interlock V2 chain. It's really nice, and my sprocket's loose. Back wheel. I have a Merit hub cassette connected to Merit spokes, and that's leased to BSD rim. It's super strong. I have the same peg setup. I have a Volume Vessel and Merit Began, and we have an Eclat guard and G-Sport. I don't know what kind of G-Sport guard. It's just a plastic guard, and that's up there for there. And the frame I'm running is a King Solus V2, and that wraps up my bike. So I'm gonna get a couple clips. Alright, that's gonna wrap up the video. Sorry if those clips are crummy. I just woke up and it's like really humid and my grips are sweaty, so really sketchy out here. So hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.